Let's say you want to make a major change to your website and you'd prefer your visitors not to see what you're working on until you're done. The usual approach is to head to the WordPress plugin repository, find some kind of maintenance or coming soon plugin, configure it, verify it's compatible with your setup, and so on. And even after finding what seems like the perfect plugin, things might not be so perfect after all. You're often left constrained by a set of rigid, pre-made designs. All of this feels cumbersome. There has to be a better way. Blocksy Pro handles exactly that, with simplicity and full creative control. The maintenance mode feature is part of the content blocks system, so you can design anything you can imagine and display it as your maintenance page. What's more, the template is automatically shown to all visitors, while administrators retain full access to the website and the WordPress dashboard. Getting started is straightforward. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Click Blocksy in the left-hand menu, then choose Content Blocks. Click Add New Content Block at the top. On the right, choose Custom Template, then select Maintenance Template as the type. You can give it a name to categorize it more easily. We'll call it Maintenance Mode for this demo. Click Create Content Block to continue. The Gutenberg editor opens with a pre-populated design. This design is entirely optional. You can replace it with anything you like. You can even edit it using third-party editors, such as Elementor, if that's your preference. We'll swap it out for a different sample here, just to demonstrate the range of the editing possibilities available. As with all content blocks types, you have access to the conditional logic module, which lets you control how the maintenance template is applied. By default, it applies to the entire website, making it inaccessible to visitors across the board. For more granular control, you can target specific user states, whether a user is logged in or out, particular user roles, or even specific dates and times. We'll keep the default for this demonstration, and we encourage you to explore our documentation to learn more about how display conditions work. Further down the options panel, you'll find layout controls to fine-tune the visual presentation. The defaults are sufficient for this demonstration. And that's it. Click the Save button in the top right corner to finish. Visiting the front page as a logged out user, the maintenance template we created is now displayed exactly as expected. A clean, fully custom maintenance mode, no plugins required. If you'd like to learn more about what Blocksy Pro has to offer, head to our website or browse our other videos to keep exploring.